New Kuta. Kuta Tutu. The unequaled magic wand of Olowu of Owu Kuta. Oba Hammeed Adekunle Makama Oyelude Tegbosun III. The Olowu of Owu Kuta. Chairman, Supreme Council of Owu Obas. His Royal Majesty Oba Hammeed Adekunle Oyelude, the Olowu of Owu Kuta, was born into the family of Tegbosun. He attended several schools and worked briefly before he joined General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida as a civilian aide till his nomination as Olowu of Owu Kuta. His diligence to duty home and abroad earned him credence and huge connections that have now transformed into blessings to the people of Owu Kingdom. On ascension of his forefather's throne in 2012, Oba Oyelude declared Kuta of his dream, New Kuta, that is, Kuta Tutu, which he encouraged all sons and daughters to be committed and dedicated to, so as to realize Kuta of his dream. Oba Tegbosun III has committed and made a lot of social investment towards developing Kuta at home and promoting her to the global world. He has displayed unequaled love and concern to his people. He single-handedly built a police station and procured a patrol van in Owu Kuta and expended the sum of 6 million naira on the channelization of waterways and the control of erosion at Isaleoba in Kuta. Also, from his personal endowment, he built 75 million naira worth ultramodern community palace in which he lives and the first Olowu to achieve such feat. He influenced the gigantic construction of Kuta Railway Station Road to the tune of 240 million naira from the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. He joyfully enlisted numerous sons and daughters of Owu in different federal government agencies. The record-breaking achievement of Oba Hammeed Adekunle Makama Oyelude Tegbosun III is the high influence of request from the Nigerian army to construct multi-billion and the age-long Osun Bridge on Kuta Ede Road, as made possible by General Yusuf Toka Buratai, who the king and the entire natives of Kuta will forever be grateful to. The gesture that has made the revered king an unapologetic advocate of the support for the Nigerian army. It is noteworthy to cast our mind back to the letter written by the former head of state, General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, requesting the government of the state of Osun and the people of Owu Kuta to make His Royal Majesty Oba Hammeed Oyelude Tegbosun III Olowu of Owu Kuta. In this letter, he affirmed his belief in Oba Oyelude's potential Midas touch, and it came to pass. Also, General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in his congratulatory letter during the coronation ceremony of His Royal Majesty Oba Adekunle Makama, did say in one of the paragraphs, and I quote, "I know the choice of kingmakers and the government of Osun State in making you the king of your ancient community will pay off, because I have no doubt that your immense wealth of contact will rub off on your community as you will turn it around in no distant future. Kabiyesi, I once again congratulate you on the ascension of the throne of your forebearers." His Royal Majesty Oba Hammeed Oyelude is a philanthropist of note who is putting smiles on the faces of Owu indigenes and non-indigenes alike. On his philanthropism, Oba Makama believes that success is not measured in the amount of dollars you make, but the amount of lives you impact. He is married to Olori Fatima Adiola Makama Oyelude and Olori Monsurat Oluwaseun Makama Oyelude, and blessed with children. He loves traveling and meeting people. His unniched passion for pets made him to create a mini zoo in the palace, which has some domesticable animals like Thompson gazelle, ostrich, peacock, the guinea fowl, crested cranes, porcupine, Brahma chicken, silky chicken, geese, rabbits, and many more. Olowu of Owu Kuta is handsomely connected and influential. His array of friends made him stand out to behold. Kabiyesi maintains good relationship with highly placed Nigerians and the downtrodden in the society, like Mohammed Babandide, the Nigerian immigration boss, General Yusuf Toka Buratai, Chief of Army Staff of Nigeria, the generational jinx breaker, Owu Kuta historical perspective, Ladi Adebutu Keshington, the Oni of Ife, His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Babatunde Ogunwusi Ojaja II, General Badamasi Babangida, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, General Olusegun Obasanjo, the former President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Balogun of Owu, Governor Gboyega Oyetola, the Executive Governor of the State of Osun, and former Governor Ogbeni Rauf Adesoji Aregbesola, the former Governor of the State of Osun, the current Minister of Interior, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Rodney Odili Odibe, a successful businessman and a philanthropist of note, and many more. This is His Royal Majesty Oba Hammeed Adekunle Makama Oyelude Tegbosun III, Olowu of Owu Kuta, Chairman, Supreme Council of Owu Obas by Face of Africa International Magazine and TV. God bless you. Long